Module 7, Abundance instead of lack. What if the only thing blocking your money, success, and breakthroughs is one sentence you keep repeating without noticing? Fade in. Slow motion shots of people scrolling bills, checking bank apps, hesitating before taking opportunities. Today, you and I are going to break the single mindset that quietly kills dreams, lack thinking. And I'll show you how one shift, one question, transformed Alex's entire life. Most people don't know this. The human brain was not designed for abundance. It was designed for survival. That's why lack shows up automatically. Not enough time, not enough money, not enough skills, not enough luck. Fear is automatic. Scarcity is instinctive. But abundance, that's a conscious decision. And Alex was about to learn this the hard way. Alex worked in a small company, talented but constantly holding back. Every time an opportunity appeared, Alex whispered the same line. I don't think I can. That sentence became a habit, a script, a prison, until one day everything changed. Alex's laptop died during an important project. A small upgrade, but expensive. Alex's immediate thought, I can't afford this. A familiar, heavy feeling washed over the chest. The nervous system froze. Creativity shut down. The world became small. This is the psychology of lack. That day, Alex met an old mentor, Rachel, who simply asked, why do you always ask if you can instead of asking how you can? Alex stared, confused. Rachel smiled and continued, your mind expands or collapses depending on the question you ask. These words hit Alex like a lightning bolt. Rachel explained the millionaire truth. What you focus on expands. Focus on lack, you see more problems. Focus on possibility, you see pathways. And then she gave Alex the sentence that would change everything. Stop asking, can I? Start asking, how can I? Watch what happens the moment Alex changes one sentence. It feels like magic, but it's actually neuroscience. Let's revisit the laptop crisis. Old Alex, I can't afford this. New Alex, how can I make this possible? Suddenly, the brain woke up. Alex began seeing cheaper repair options, part-time micro-income ideas, unused subscriptions to cancel, small savings, borrowing options, step-by-step solutions. The situation didn't change, but Alex's identity did. When you say, I can't, your brain shuts off creative problem solving. When you say, how can I, your brain automatically activates innovation, memory recall, opportunity recognition, resourcefulness. It's not manifestation, it's biology. At work, a leadership position opened up. Old Alex thought, I'm not ready, I don't have enough experience. But now the question became, how can I become ready? How can I learn what's missing? Those questions created movement. Alex reached out to a senior colleague, watched training videos, practiced presentations, volunteered for a small project. Momentum began with one better question. Slowly, Alex shifted from, I don't have enough, arrow, I can create what I need step by step. This identity is the foundation of wealth. Wealthy people don't wait for conditions. They create possibilities. Alex started doing a simple daily ritual. Catch the lack phrase, replace it. Ask, how can I? Examples, I don't know. How can I learn this today? It's not possible. How can I make it possible? I'm stuck. What small step moves me forward? Small rewires, big transformations. One day, Alex faced another challenge. A new skill required at work. Old reaction, I can't do this. New reaction, how can I master this? Alex found a 15-minute tutorial online. That small step created confidence. Confidence created momentum. Momentum created opportunities. That's abundance in action. Alex started noticing where lack showed up first. Money decisions, time pressure, trying new things. Instead of fighting the triggers, Alex learned to observe them. Awareness weakens lack. Awareness strengthens abundance. Alex committed to 1% action every day, sending one opportunity message, saving a small amount, learning for 3 minutes, applying for something new. researching on one skill, not big, but consistent. Small steps shift identities faster than big goals. One evening, Alex wrote, "I shift from lack to possibility. I always ask, how can I?" Writing it made it real. Repeating it made it identity. Living it made it transformation. That night, for the first time in years, Alex felt in control of life again. The world doesn't change when you earn more money. The world changes the moment you learn to ask better questions. You just witnessed the shift that took Alex from fear to possibility. And now it's your turn. For the rest of the day, every time lack shows up, pause, breathe, and ask, how can I make this possible? This question rewires your brain, your identity, and your financial reality. If Alex's journey opened something inside you today, like subscribe and drop a comment saying, "I choose abundance." This helps the algorithm, and it sends a signal to your subconscious. You are no longer living in poverty. You're operating from abundance.